Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. This is your boy Enoch Powell, and this is Powell Design Channel. And in today's tutorial, I'll be showing you on how to restore a low resolution photo to a high resolution photo. So today's tutorial, we are going to learn, or I'm going to show you how you can restore a low resolution photo to a high resolution photo just using your smartphone. So in this case, the app that we need to use is called Remini. This is the app we are going to use. Remini, it's available on Google Play Store. You can download it. It's for free. You can use it for free, and also it has a pro version. So in this case, we are going to upload a photo that we want to restore to a higher resolution. So first of all, I'm going to come here at this icon here box. Select the retro red, a gallery. So in this case, I have a photo that it was sent to me by one of my friends through WhatsApp, and the photo was so like blurry. It was not clear. It is very low. It has low resolution. So this is the photo. I want you to observe very well. This is the original photo. So I'm gonna first I'm going to crop it. Let me crop it. So after I cropped it, so now click here, the red button here. So it will start processing. It takes the photo to its servers to check the details of the photo. So it has already processed. Now let me zoom in so that we see the original and after. Before and after. So as you can see, is that this photo is very low. It has low resolution. It has no much details. So as you can see, it's not clear. So there are no much details to be seen. So but let us see after the restoration of the details, or high, or rather resolution. So you realize that it has restored the resolution. And this photo was taken by a phone. So we are going to take it through processes until we find a very fine photo. So this is the original and after. So I'm going to save it. After I've saved it, again I'll go and repeat the same to get fine details. So I'll still repeat the same. So it will process like that. So and you realize again it has stored some much details. So we're going to save again. So again, another thing that I'm going to do, it is to enhance. So what I'm going to do is to enhance the photo. So again, I'm going to take through the same process. Okay, so let's see before and after. So I want you to look her face before and after. So you realize it is very much fine and high resolution. So we save it. Now after I have restored the resolution, what I'm going to do now, I'm going to open another app. I'm going to share this photo to another app because we want to make it look fine. So I'm going to share it to PhotoRoom. I'm going to share it to PhotoRoom. So in PhotoRoom, I'm going to try to blur the background. So now it's processing the PhotoRoom. So like that. Now in this case, I'm going to select classic options. So I'm going to select this option, okay. So now I'm going to come at the background. So I'm going to choose blur. I'm going to choose disk. So I'm going to adjust the intensity like that.